Good day. Today we will be focusing on a source document that is called an invoice issued. So as you hear the word issued, it means that we are giving out the invoice. We are giving someone that invoice. We are issuing it. Okay? So it's like, let's say this is business A, and then let's say this is a customer B. This is a customer. Right? This is a business. This is a business. So the business issues an invoice. Why is that? And actually not to a customer, but I'm going to write that we are issuing the invoice to whom. So when the business issues an invoice, the business issues an invoice when the business is selling the goods on credit. Goods on credit. Or when the business is selling goods on account. That is the same thing. So whenever the business is selling the goods on credit, the business issues an invoice. Meaning that the invoice is going out of your business to whoever the business is selling the goods to. So when the business is selling the goods on credit, that person or a company or what that the business is selling the goods to on credit, we call them a debtor. Someone who owes the business, right? Now, when the business is selling the goods on credit, so we are issuing an invoice. So when we are issuing an invoice, what the business does, the business issues an original invoice out. So what this means is that the business will be left with a copy of the invoice. So the business will be left with a duplicate invoice. Now, what does this mean? It means that whenever the business is issuing an invoice, the business will be left with a duplicate invoice, which is a source document that is used in the debtors journal in a DJ. Okay, so whenever they're talking about a duplicate invoice, there is an invoice that is used when the business is selling the goods on credit or when the business is issuing an invoice. So the original invoice, it goes to the debtor. The business will be left with a duplicate invoice.